chop, chop. We are from spraying these animals. Tubagulirawo bagende mu ka exercising area oba basigale muno. Mpozi muteese wali ebikondo. You people, how are you? Bawante mumaze baspraying. Next are the goats. We are through with also the cows. No. Hello my people, hope you are doing okay. Welcome to Hanimi's World. Welcome to that channel that inspires you to do business in agriculture. A channel that inspires you to go deep down into your villages, guys, and settle down and carry out agribusiness. If you are interested in such vlogs, please consider to subscribe down below and hit that notification bell so that YouTube notifies you when I upload more videos. So guys, in today's video we are here spraying. I wanted again to show you how we spray, guys. This is our therapy, not our therapy, English. This is our method of spraying that I discovered with time. I discovered it's not good to add the young ones in the main flock when you are spraying. They hide down there and they cannot even fight for themselves. So we are spraying like this as I'm showing you. We've separated the other people from the other ones. So let's pop into the video and I show you how we do it. So those ones are the young ones, we've already sprayed them, and these ones are the bigger ones. So let me take you through the process. I've done the introduction part of the video. After we've done the real action, guys. So let the video take you through how we do it. So this one minimizes the chances of the other ones not getting fully sprayed. So in most cases, when you spray the young ones together with the other ones, you will find out that the young ones are not sprayed properly because they will hide down there and they will hide their heads. So at the end of the day, you think that you're spraying, but your animals will get hurt. So spraying is one thing, I always tell you, and spraying right is another thing. So let's pop down into the video. So we are separating the young kids from the main flock, guys. Don't spray. I want to worry wait to the chinene nenkuru efulumawo. Wa mukigendera olubawo mwarujjo mwarutese wali. Mwarukoye rudu. Separate the young ones from the older ones. Nekat, why are you fighting? Nene mbuzi ya najinga ine fujjo. Bati owebeera bwe lunaku. Wanyo. We are still sorting the young ones from the older ones and putting them there in their kids' den. We are going to spread them from there. Oyaona agamwa nga ina fujjo. Gwe yali musajja sebo yali teyeetaaga na kulaawa. Waliwo yayonka oba yeekweka. Onayonka abba amabeere gaabwe ng'ate kikulu. Kisajja kirina kkala ennungi. Baakiraawa nakyo. Awo mu nsonda awo olekawo kati obusigadde bwe bufulumye kale kati buli obufulumye mu busootingire ddala waliwo n'endala enkulu ebadde eno wansi. So after separating them, this is how we do it. We are spraying them. I realized that when you add them together, these young ones hide down into the legs. So you have to separate the young ones from the older ones, most especially in this period where the ticks are very many. I told you there are different types of ticks. There are the other bigger ones and there are small ones. Now this period of time where we are, that these small ticks are very many and they are very dangerous. You can't notice that they are there, but they are there. So we separate and spray the young ones. So we are spraying the young ones like this. The face under the udder, in between the legs. Oh, yeah, bueno. Face, buli omu alina okufunako. Era fine, lwaki toyimukako n'ogenda waggulu ku bibaawo, si kyekisinga. In the ears, in the face, under the udder, down, in between the legs. Olaba kano ka baby akati aka brown tekannafunako wadde okala here akaako So we are through with spraying the young ones. As you've seen, so now we are spraying the older goats. So guys, we're winding up this video, so we are through with spraying. You can see the animals there, the exercising area, they are from being sprayed, and right now we are counting and finalizing with counting of the animals as we find out the sick ones. So you don't only spray, but you also count if you can, and also treat those ones that have diseases. You can see in the background we count one by one as we see whether it's sick. If it is sick, we take it. So that one has off disease. It is not yet healed. So we spray as we investigate, or as we see those ones that we are sick. If they are okay, if they are not okay, we give them medicine. And we see if there is anyone that is sick, then we give them medicine. Then we count. So they are there in the exercising area, sun drying. You know they love the sun, guys. That is the reason why you have to be with this exercising area. No one is going inside, guys. So we are balancing, and we've counted them, we've sprayed them so well, and we are checking for the sick ones and those ones that are not yet fine. And that marks the end of the exercise, guys. Thank you for watching at Hanimi's World. Please consider to subscribe down below if you've gotten something in this video, and also comment down below. Let's have a conversation on this topic. Share my videos, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.